What's up, guys? So as we head on to the end of 2022 and what has been a very challenging financial market, at the time of this recording, stocks are down, gold is down, bonds are down, crypto is down. I'm not a financial advisor, but let me go ahead and show you the reasons why I believe 2023 would be a good year to start off with a bullish run. So let's get it on. So these are majority of the well-known coins, guys. And as you can see, some are green. I mean, it shows green here because in the past couple of hours, it may have gained or pumped a little bit. It shows here that Bitcoin is at 16,872. If you click on that, let me go ahead and show you the history from last year. All right. So I am at the 1 week timeline. And as you can see here, November 8th of last year was when Bitcoin got its all-time high. It went as high as 69,020 and it went down, went up a little bit sometime 2022, first quarter, towards the end of the first quarter, and then it went down and still going down, right? At this point, we are at 16,800 and I believe that it's not still at the rock bottom. We may reach until like 13 or 14,000 or as low as 13 to 14,000, something between that range before we start feeling the traction of the bullish market for next year. We have just a couple of few days basically for 2022. Hopefully it's going to be a better year for 2023 because historically, guys, once crypto goes down, it will come back around. So that's how crypto works and that has been proven historically. Let me go ahead and show you the other tokens that are right now suffering, the right term. All right, so let's go ahead and check out Ethereum this time. So still at 1 week timeline. You see somewhere around November 8th of 2021 last year, that is 4,867. Now we are at 1,224. Still not the rock bottom. We may still, hopefully, not go down the 4-digit mark, like the 1,000 mark, before we head on and flip out to going to the bullish run. So Ethereum basically goes to the direction where Bitcoin goes. If Bitcoin goes up, it goes up with it. If Bitcoin goes down, Ethereum goes down with it as well. This is the stable coin, which is the USDT. You have the BNB. Let's go ahead and check that one out as well. So this is the Binance token, so the BNB. Let's go ahead and check out. It has shown really a lot of movements in here. But right around last year, sometime in May, guys. So this was sometime in May, it reached 692. Now we are at 246.3 and it's still going down. Hopefully it does not go down the 200 mark. Okay, before it flips out going into its bullish run for 2023. I mean, hopefully, I'm still very positive or very bullish that 2023 would be a better year for us in the crypto industry. As for the biggest news, guys, for crypto in 2023, there are so many predictions as there are analysts charting the future for cryptocurrency. And crypto continued its popularity in 2021. Crypto became accepted by Goldman Sachs. So Coinbase debuted in April 2021. So they are the first major crypto company to go public and the first US exchange traded fund like to Bitcoin launch in October. According to CNBC, the best known cryptocurrency, Bitcoin has a good year. So the digital currency has been up nearly 70% since the start of 2021, driving the entire crypto market to a combined $2 trillion in value. Imagine that. So looking at the future of cryptocurrency, if the past is any indication, investors in cryptocurrency in for an exciting ride. So some interesting crypto predictions to watch out for in the coming year, which is the 2023. So for crypto development in 2023, guys, the first half of 2022 has been very bad for us. Bitcoin and Ethereum are down more than 50% from their all-time highs in the late 2021. So like somewhere around November of 2021. And while there has been small surges in the recent weeks, the crypto market as a whole largely stalled. So while no one knows for sure, that some experts say that crypto prices could fall even further before any substantial recovery, Bitcoin hits multiple all-time high prices in 2021. So followed by big drops and more institutional buy-ins from major companies. Ethereum, the second biggest cryptocurrency, notched its own new all-time high late last year as well. And the crash below the $900 in June, it's actually the lowest level since the start of 2021. So all the while, people interest in crypto remains high. It's a hot topic not only among investors but in popular culture too, thanks to everyone from long-standing investors like Elon Musk to that kid from your high school on Facebook as well. So in many ways, 2021 was a breakthrough, says Dave Abner, head of the global department at Gemini and a popular cryptocurrency exchange. So there's a tremendous focus and attention being paid to the cryptocurrency. All right, so I found a good article that we could go ahead and check out here. It says that crypto outlook for 2023, it is in the Forbes website. So you can go ahead and check that one out. It's going to be in the description below. So the link to this website will be in the description below. So while 2022 have been a bad year for stocks, it's even absolutely atrocious for cryptocurrency. Stocks are on a big losing streak this year. They're saying that as of this writing, the Bitcoin is down 64% and Ethereum is down 66%, going further out on the risk curve. So most of the other major altcoins are down more than 90%. Imagine that, man. I mean, you just have to hold on tight sometimes. If you don't really need to liquidate or exchange that tokens, if you could hold on to it much longer, we could seek to look for better days in 2023. So remember when inflation was transitory and the Federal Reserve was holding rates at zero, what a difference a year makes. So in January 2022, Ethereum was more than 5,150 and Bitcoin was right around like 65,113. This is actually accurate. So it's 3,800 USD and Bitcoin was right around 48,000 in the beginning of 2022. And the Fed's war on inflation is the main reason both leading coins are down so sharply. But not only the last 12 months have been strewn in with the crypto meltdowns, bankruptcies and chaos, the losses should not be surprising to anyone. So there were a lot of different factors. You have the war between the Ukraine and Russia and all those other stuff. So it actually affected crypto as well. So how long will the crypto winter last? So cryptocurrency is no stranger to boom and bust cycles. A quick look at the price history of Bitcoin, the benchmark for the entire industry, illustrates the point. In 2018, following a meteoric run up to 20,000 mark for Bitcoin, it fell 84% back to 4,069. So that's like 3,000 USD. Bitcoin turned around and rallied to nearly the 17,000 USD in November of 2022, then spiked even higher. So as I mentioned earlier, guys, crypto in general, once it goes down, it still goes around, right? So it doesn't stay that way. Like if it bottoms out, it doesn't stay that way forever, especially if it's like the major coins. Okay, so especially if those are the major coins. So Bitcoin forecast, guys, lastly for you. So as I mentioned, this is actually the reason why I am very, very positive or bullish for 2023. Bitcoin is ending the year at around 16,800, down from about 19,500 on the eve of the FTX crisis. So if contagion continues to reverberate, the FTX bankruptcy, Bitcoin has more room to fall. So just like what I mentioned earlier. So strategists also use Bitcoin production cost to forecast how far prices could fall. At the moment, this production cost stands at around 15,000 USD, but it is likely to revisit the 13,000 USD low seen over the summer months. So that is from the JP Morgan team in a note. And as for the stable coins, guys, they mentioned here that stable coins are really in a tough spot because there's little question that the advent of CBDCs is going to eat away at their market. Richard Gardner, the CEO of fintech company Modules Global. So one thing is for certain, guys, risk in the crypto sector still remains elevated. So again, guys, always do your own research. Check out our channel. There's a lot of different tutorials right there. Things that could help you increase the chances of you getting profit out of your trades. And if you are new to the channel, please make sure to click that like, that subscribe, and click the bell. That way, you'll always be notified when we upload new videos in the future. I will see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.